Hey everyone! If you are trading on Deriv and looking for a smarter, automated way to grow your account, this video is exactly for you. Today, I'm introducing you to PivotCore.net, the ultimate automated trading platform designed specifically for Deriv traders. Forget about manual stress and emotional trading. PivotCore handles the market for you with precision. In this session, I am going to run a powerful even-odd strategy. My target is simple but realistic. We are going to place 10 trades and aim for a solid 5 wins. Let's dive in and see how this incredible platform makes automated trading look easy. First, let's take a look at the interface. PivotCore.net is incredibly user-friendly, and connecting it to your Deriv account takes just a few seconds. What I love about this platform is the absolute control it gives you over your risk management. Right here, we are setting up our automated even-odd strategy. We aren't chasing impossible promises, we are trading with a clear mathematical plan. I have configured the system to execute exactly 10 trades, aiming to secure 5 wins. Setting realistic targets is the secret to long-term success in automated trading, and PivotCore makes setting these parameters completely seamless. Alright, the bot is running and the trades are executing live. Watch how smoothly PivotCore analyzes the market ticks. When you trade manually on Deriv, emotions like fear and greed always get in the way. But here, the automated system follows the even-odd logic perfectly without a single second of delay. We just locked in our first few trades. Even when the market fluctuates, the platform's risk control keeps our balance safe. This is why PivotCore.net is becoming a game changer for Deriv traders. It takes out the guesswork and replaces it with pure automation. As we approach the end of our 10-trade session, you can see the strategy working exactly as planned. We just hit our 5th win, target achieved perfectly. This proves that you don't need a 100% win rate to be smart with your money. You just need a disciplined system and the right tools. PivotCore.net gives you that exact edge. Whether you are a beginner trying to understand automated trading or a seasoned Deriv trader looking to optimize your daily routine, this platform delivers the consistency you've been looking for. There you have it. 10 trades, 5 perfect wins, and a completely stress-free trading session thanks to PivotCore.net. If you are tired of staring at charts all day and want to upgrade your Deriv trading experience, it's time to switch to automation. Head over to PivotCore.net right now, set up your account, and try out these automated strategies for yourself. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more automated trading insights, and drop a comment below letting me know what strategy you want to see next. See you in the next video.